anxiety attack. I'm a Snow Isle resident. I live in a $3 million house.
Meet 38-year-old Ashley Morgan, who on November 24th, 2022, was stopped by officers for driving recklessly during a fully packed Thanksgiving running event. Ashley allegedly ignored the officers' commands to stop and fled the scene at a high rate of speed. An officer in the immediate area spotted the vehicle at an intersection and initiated yet another traffic stop on the speeding Jeep.
Stop her. Shut the car off, man. Shut the car off.
It's freaking Thanksgiving. I just got a divorce. My daughter's not with me.
Can you step out the car, please?
What in the fuck is this? I'm trying to get home.
Step out the car, please, man.
Yes, sir. What? No. No. What are you doing? Are you kidding me?
Can somebody come get your car for you?
No, I don't have anybody.
Okay.
You guys, please don't. I just got a divorce. I'm trying to move. Please don't do this. What are you doing? You're arresting me for stupid run. Please let me out. Please let me out. Seriously, guys, I just got a divorce from the most evil man ever. I'm moving in like 2 days. I need to get off this island.
Hey, just for purposes there, she fled from reckless. She was observed driving reckless. Glasgow. We all observed her driving reckless coming down. We stopped her, asked for license, registration. She hit the gas. She fled. And then what happened with you?
So you guys are calling out on the radio. I turn around to look at the Snow Isle Bridge, and here comes the white Range Rover, which I'm seeing over there.
How was she driving?
She was driving fast, man. She was flying.
And there were people already on the course and stuff like that too. So
yeah, the race had already started. I'm giving her commands, saying stop the car, yelling, so my throat hurts at this point. She comes past me, and she already had the window down. She looks right at me, and she just gives me this left hand in the air going, what? And looks at me and keeps on going.
And you had your marked car there and everything else like you orange.
Yep.
At this point, the officer returns to Ashley, where she continues yelling and progressively loses her shit.
Please, I'm sorry. I just
killed one of these people running, you know that?
No, I did not.
You could have killed one.
Wasn't anywhere near them. They told me to beat the people over here.
If you do that, I'm going to pepper spray you. You got me?
I fucking get turds.
I'm going to pepper spray you.
Dude, I live in a $3 million house down the street.
Just hear
Can
me
you
out.
write me up?
Hear me this.
My daughter, I'm going to lose my daughter today.
Listen to me carefully.
Look at this.
If you kick the window,
That's my head. I didn't kick the window.
Whatever you do, you bang your head in the window. If you don't sit here properly, I'm going to
How
pepper
long
spray
are we
you.
doing this for?
You've been warned. Okay?
How long has this been for?
Until I'm done doing what I need to do, ma'am, alright? I'll come talk to you in a second.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to endanger anybody, but the police officer on the other...
Apology accepted.
But the guy on the other side told me to beat the runners over.
Listen to me.
Like,
Hear me,
this
stop.
is hurting.
I need to bring it down. Listen.
This is killing
I'll
me.
adjust that for you. Hear me out. Alright? Right now you're at a level 10. I need you to bring it down to a 2.
Here's a level 2. Ready? I was trying to go to the gas station this morning, and I can't get off my neighborhood.
I promise you I'll come talk to you, alright? But what I need you to do is don't bang your head in the window, don't kick anything. I need you to sit here, you're in handcuffs, you're arrested, alright? I can't change that. It is
For
what it is.
what?
Fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. If you continue to do that, I'm telling you,
Fuck my life!
you're gonna be...
You don't get what I just went through. Like at all. I just want to go home. You don't get it. I went through a 3-year divorce. The fuckface took all my money. I'm fighting for my kid back. I mean, I do not deserve this.
Listen, I'm sorry that you had to go through that.
Like, I'm gonna lose my daughter today too.
Alright? Stop screaming. This isn't gonna get you out of it. This isn't gonna get you out of
Help me though, this is hurting. Look at my arms.
Hey, ma'am.
Look, you're killing me. You're killing me. This is so tight. I'm a fucking resident of this
I'm
neighborhood.
trying to adjust it for you.
I'm a resident of this neighborhood. Can I stand up?
No, turn around. If you want me to adjust it for you, you gotta turn around.
Ow! Oh my god! You're so tight!
I'm trying to adjust. Please let me out of this fucking shit!
to jail? Can we just get this over with? Because I'm going to lose my daughter today. I haven't seen her in 3 weeks, and I'm supposed to see her this morning.
Stop. Okay. Hey, ma'am, are you the register on the vehicle?
I think so.
Okay, what's your first name?
Ashley Morgan. Morgan Auto Groups, who I just divorced.
Can you please spell your first name?
Ashley! With 2 E's. Can I get out of here?
Stop screaming.
Can I stand up? I'm having an anxiety attack.
Making a scene.
I am making a scene. This is my fucking neighborhood. I'm a Snell Isle resident. I live in a $3 million house. And these assholes. No, you did
Get
not.
back in the car now. Back in the car. Get back in the car.
Let me out. Please, I've lived here for 13 years. It was inappropriate of me. These runners are super important. The turkey trot, super important. Please let me out. Officer, please. This is so up. Please help me. Oh my God. I'm not a criminal. I don't get this.
Is there anyone that can come pick up your vehicle?
I don't have any money.
All right, it's gonna get towed then.
No, I will call somebody. Can I call my lawyer? Can I call my brother real fast? Please let me out. I need to talk to my attorney. Please, he's in my phone. You can call him for me. Please.
I need you to calm down.
I need to call my attorney though. Please, I need help. Please, I have the right to have my attorney. Right? I have the right to speak with my attorney.
So hear me
To
out.
represent me.
Are you going to allow me to explain to you? Okay. Your charges are this, as of now. There may be more. Fleeing and looting, hit and run because you hit a stop sign, reckless driving, and obstruction. Alright? Those are your charges, alright? I would love to talk to you about it, alright? If you would like your attorney present, then I cannot talk to you about it. Would you like that, your attorney?
Am I going to jail?
Yes, you are.
Yes, I need my attorney.
Okay, so I won't ask you any questions, alright? When you go to jail, you can phone your lawyer there. Alright, ma'am?
Are we going now?
No.
Why are you doing this to me? Officers, I would be so appreciative if you wrote me as many big tickets and write-ups and arrests and just let me not go to jail today. And I was out of line, so I won't even appeal any of them. But if you could just not take me all the way to jail, I just don't know how I'd be able to get out. I was trying to go quick so I could get home and shower.
Glasgow said, hey, she's driving reckless, where she came out hot. I mean, like, steaming through. There's runners coming. So we stopped. We said, hey, and then she was like, give me the ticket. So give me your license, registration. She just hit the gas, fled. And she fled from Peters, and then...
This was really appropriate, like the housewife on Snell Isle getting pepper sprayed and thrown in the back of your car during a turkey trot run. Does this make you guys feel like you have big ass balls or something? Little short dick police officers? Will you please tell me, like, what if I don't get a lawyer, what you were gonna say? Sir? Sir? Hello? Officer? Hello?
Ma'am, stop that.
Ma'am?
You're gonna get sprayed again.
Stop! This is inhumane, dude! Can I get out of here?
I adjusted that the best I could, and then he tried to get out the car. I can't do it anymore, ma'am. Sorry.
Just relax, alright?
My face is falling off.
I know, pepper spray does that. After a while, the effect wears off.
Why am I being treated like a piece of shit? Why did you spray me with more pepper spray?
Banging your head against my window trying to break it.
No, I'm trying to hurt my head.
Do me a favor. I got a lot going on here with her. She's not being cooperative.
Please don't play on my phone. You have no right to go through all my naked pictures, you freaking weirdos. This will be on all of the social media, you fucking losers. I hope you know I am absolutely going to appeal this charge. You monster St. Pete police losers. I cannot wait to expose.
Alright,
what
I'm gonna transfer you into a Judge Burton car. Alright? Come on.
I can't see. You're gonna have to get me out over on this side.
Alright, well I'll get you over on the other side. Won't care. Come on.
You know I'm a Snell Isle fellow resident?
Yeah, you're embarrassing yourself. Stop.
No, I'm not embarrassing myself. I'm a fucking mom on Snow Isle, and you guys fucking arrested me, pepper sprayed me 3 times.
Twice.
Do you want to see my boobs too? What are you guys doing?
Female officer.
Weirdos.
Do you have anything new, bro?
No.
Just turn around.
There you go.
This is so disgusting. I literally live on Eden Isle at 1425.
Hey, ma'am, let me tell you this. This officer checks his car before and after his shift, before and after when it gets inside, alright? You're the first person in his car for this shift. There's nothing in the car. Do you have anything
I
on
have
you?
fingernails in your car.
Okay.
Yes, because I'm sorry for my...
Oh, you're not gonna get those back.
What, my shoes?
No, your fingernails.
No, I wasn't trying to. I was just letting him know it's weird. I would have vacuumed it out for him.
Okay.
Are you taking my new Nikes off?
Yeah, slip them off.
What?
Slip them off.
Oh my god, you guys are fucking... This is disgusting.
Have a seat, okay?
There you go.
Where?
Right here.
Put your left foot up. There you go. Now put your...
You guys can pick me up. I don't know what the you want.
Listen.
I can't follow directions when I can't see.
Step up. There you go. Put your butt on the thing. Up a little bit more. You can feel it. I know you can. Ma'am. Stand up. Okay. Go back a little bit. Scooch back. The seat is right there. Up
Where are we going?
In the car. You're putting your foot in the car, please. You're good. Just go on your side.
Are you gonna pepper spray me again?
If you act up, I will.
Just sit back.
I'm trying not to. I'm trying.
You pepper sprayed me twice.
Yes, because you don't know how to act. Put your foot in the car.
Oh,
I got you. Pretty good.
somehow it closed on me.
And put your foot in. There you go. Thank you, ma'am. Here, I'm gonna buckle you in.
Why would you do that?
Because you're not behaving yourself. Jesus.
You guys having fun this morning? Did I give you guys a whole bunch of entertainment today? So you guys can all like huddle around and talk about the crazy white woman that you pepper sprayed? You guys are just jealous too, because you guys make like $12 an hour. Probably sucks to be an officer. Yep, you're treating me not like a white woman, that's for damn sure. I definitely feel like a black dude who like rode his bike up from like the South Trail right now is how you're treating me. And actually, I live in a $3 million house down the street. You took the white woman and pepper sprayed her on Thanksgiving.
Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, your car's gonna get towed. They're gonna do an inventory search if there's anything of value inside the car. Is that a no?
I don't know. Can
search
my
the car.
ex go get the car? Please?
He's not answering the phone.
Can I give you another number? Please?
The tow truck is on the way. We gave you the opportunity before. They called the number. He's not answering. So the sergeant's going to do a inventory search of the vehicle. Is there anything of value in there?
No, there's a bunch of trash. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
I don't think there's value. I'm so sorry. I wasn't trying to. I think I got frustrated trying to get off the island, which happens sometimes. I've lived here 14 years. I wasn't trying to put anybody in danger. I was trying to get to the gas station so I could get some coffee.
When you get out of here, your life isn't ruined. Your life isn't over.
It's ruined.
It really
I already
isn't.
lost my daughter.
You said you didn't lose her because you're about to go see her, right?
I lost custody.
At the end of the day, we were actually trying to help you. And I would like to see you come back from this and turn your life around.
My life is around. You guys just f***ed up my day.
We didn't...
My day. My day.
From...
My day. I cannot wait to put it all over the f***ing social media.
Okay.
This is what I do. That is a power that I have made with social media. I can't wait to take you guys to court. After I blast you all over social media for taking down the white woman on Thanksgiving during the turkey trot. What am I, some black, kid on a bike who's in the wrong neighborhood? And you guys beat me down with all this pepper spray?
What I do suggest is that you go find a really good therapist.
I have 17 of them, girl. You don't even know.
You're not working then.
As a result, Ashley was charged with 1 felony count of fleeing and eluding, as well as misdemeanor resisting arrest and reckless driving. Her bond was set at $10,000. A few months later, her felony charge of fleeing and eluding was dropped, and Ashley was only convicted of her 2 misdemeanor charges.